Welcome to Lesson 4 of Introduction to Botany, and today we're going to be going over plant tissues. Now, plants are an organized hierarchy. They have cells, tissues, and organ systems. And there's a lot of different types of tissues. So to start, we have dermal tissue, and that's main purpose is for protection. The dermal tissue forms the epidermis, and the epidermis includes three different main parts: the cuticle, the stomata, and trichomes. The cuticle is a waxy coating that prevents water loss on plants. Our stomata is pores for gas exchange that regulate transpiration. And trichomes are hair-like structures that protect, insulate, and allow water absorption through the roots. Then we have the vascular tissue, and this allows transport throughout the plant of a lot of different stuff. It includes the xylem and the phloem. The xylem transports water and minerals in the direction from the roots to the leaves. And a lot of these cells are actually dead by maturity. Overall, they allow thick lignified walls, and that provides support. Now, the phloem transports sugars, like in photosynthesis, and they move in the direction from the leaves to the rest of the plant. These cells are generally always alive and requires companion cells for metabolism. And finally, we have ground tissue, and this allows metabolism and support. We have the parenchyma, which allows photosynthesis, storage of starch, and it has thinner cell walls. It's one of the most abundant cell types. Then we have collenchyma, which allows flexible support found in growing tissues and unevenly thickened walls overall. Then we have the sclerenchyma, which has rigid support and thick secondary walls, and these cells are often dead at maturity. An example would be in fibers or stone cells. Now, if you looked at different plant organs under the microscope, this is what you would normally see in a stem cross-section. You would see dermal tissue on exterior, ground tissue that normally fills the interior, and vascular bundles scattered, like xylem and phloem, inside and outside. On a leaf cross-section, you would see a central vein, also known as a vascular bundle. You'd see ground tissue packed with chloroplasts, and you'd see a stomata mainly on the underside. And on a root cross-section, you would see vascular tissue in the center. It acts as a filter for waste uptake, and it's surrounded by ground tissue and an epidermis. Now, there is a woman, I apologize if I butcher her name, it was Catherine Issa, and she made an advancement in plant anatomy. She studied curly top virus in sugar beets, and she discovered that viruses move through the phloem. And she demonstrated a link between plant anatomy and diseases. It showed that plants could get these viruses passing the virus through different parts of their body. And it emphasized the importance of understanding tissue structure for plant health overall. Now, if you could take away anything from this micro lesson, it would be that structure and function are tightly linked in plant systems. Transport depends on specialized tissues, hormonal regulation is complex and interactive, and that plants are highly organized multicellular organisms. Thanks for watching this micro lesson. I hope it gave you just a little bit more understanding into different types of plant parts. Remember to subscribe if you want to see any more botany or plant content that I post. I'll try to aim for a weekly basis every Friday, but if not, every other couple weeks. Thanks for watching.